Hello, and welcome back to Mini Maker Studio. Today we will be showing you how to make homemade friendship bracelets. Hey guys, it's Marcelo, and I'm going to be showing you how to make these really cute bracelets. So the materials you will need are some scissors, some tape, and two different colors of yarn. So as you can see, I already cut this one to 2 feet. So I'm going to cut the other one to 2 feet as well. Okay, so now we have both 2 feet, and what we're gonna do is put the ends together like so, and then you're gonna, okay, so what you're gonna do is put the ends together, and then you're gonna fold it, well, like, yeah, like that. Sorry, I have the hiccups today, but you're gonna fold it like that, like so, and you're gonna make a little loop right here, so just like so, like that, like a little loop. Then you have this other loop, and you're gonna put it through this loop. How magical. Oh. Ta-da! And then you can see it starts making a knot right here. So you can make this loop however big or small you want. So I'm gonna make it kind of small. So I'm just gonna slide this up more, and that's not very small, but okay, it works. So you're gonna want to put the same, you're gonna want to do mismatch colors. Wow, hiccups are really killing me today. So mismatch colors like this. Then you're gonna grab some of your tape, and you're going to put the tape right here. Ta-da! So it holds it together. So once you have mismatch colors, what you're going to do is you're going to take string 1, what's called string 1, and this string 2. So move these out of the way. You're going to take it, fold it over, like so, and then next step, you're going to put your hand through here and grab it. So it looks like this. Then you're going to pull string 2 really tight and pull string 1 up to make a knot. Then you're going to repeat that process again. So fold string 1 over, pull string 1 through, and hold string 2 and pull it up till it makes a knot. Then what you're going to do is you're going to put this one aside and keep string 1. Then what you're going to do is, wait, this one, the same color as string 1. So you're going to do the same thing. Put it over, put it under, pull. Over, under, pull. 2 knots each time. Then you're going to put this one under and grab the same thing. Do the same thing though. Over, under, pull. Make sure it's 2 knots every time. Then you're going to put that over. So now you have these ones too. So you're going to grab this and do the same thing, except with the other color. And we'll review slow one. Take this string, put it over, and under, and pull. Then put this one that you just looped it around over there, and do the same here. I'm just going to go a little bit quicker. Put it under, then over this white string. And once you get to the end, you're going to want to, like the end of all those strings, you're going to want to put this one over. And then repeat with these. Okay, so we had to change what we were videoing with because the iPad ran out of storage. So, as you can see, I've done 4 rows right now, and it's starting to make a stripe. So, we're just going to do, oh, I had already done this one. So, I'm just going to do a quick review. So you just keep going until it's like really short, but not too short. So about an inch. So let's just do a quick review of what you're supposed to do. So string 1, string 2. Put this over, wrap it under, pull string 2, and make a knot. Over, under, pull. Over, under, pull. And you just repeat this process on all of them. And remember, always put it in front. And then straighten these out again and go again. Over, under, pull. 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 And it's making more stripes, so just keep going until you have like an inch. Okay, as you can see, I stopped because I'm running out, as you can see. So I thought it would be longer, but it's not, but that's fine. So next time, just add more, just do longer string. So it should look something like this, but that's still fine. So what you're gonna do now is you're gonna take the remaining strings and you're going to tie a knot. Make sure all the strings go inside there. So that don't have any. Okay, so all the strings went in there. And try to tie it as close as you can to the braid. So you'll see the braid starts to twist. That's fine. It doesn't matter. We'll fix that later. So once you got that knot tied, you're gonna remove the string. And there might be a little gap. Oh wow! Mine doesn't have a gap. See, this one has like a gap right there. So that one actually looks good. So what you're supposed to do is this one's too small. But you would put it on like this. And you would put all these strings through the loop. And then you could tie it whatever way you want. So that's how you make these. Sorry about that, it's too short. So just next time, remember to make it longer, the string longer. So I hope this video was helpful and fun for you. And don't forget to
smash that like button
and subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you are notified every time we make a new video. Thanks for watching.
Bye!